I know rules can feel really annoying sometimes, but I find that making rules for specific projects frees me from making the same type of decisions multiple times, especially if I'm doing cleaning or decluttering. It makes the process take less time and energy, which I am all about. So I've made a few rules for this fridge declutter to keep me from stressing about it too much. Rule number 1, if it's moldy, obviously it goes. I probably don't even really need to say that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that anyway. And number 2, if it smells weird, it goes. You'll notice I'm smelling a lot of the items as I pull them out of the fridge, and that's just because if I don't like how it smells, I'm getting rid of it. Rule number 3, if I hesitate to say I would eat it, it goes. I wouldn't say that I'm super picky about eating food that's on the verge of going bad, although there are exceptions. So I feel comfortable using my taste to measure that I'm not wasting good food if I throw it away. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter if I'm wasting good food or not. If I'm not going to eat it, it is going to go to waste. And number 4, if it needs to be used in the next few days, but I don't think we feel like eating it, or I don't think it fits into the menu plan, I'm just going to go and throw it away now so that I don't have to clean it out in a few days.